Ready to power up your vocabulary? Let's go. Right here on Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is analyze. Can you say it out loud? Analyze. Let's go. Let's spell it together. Ready? A-N-A-L-Y-C-E. That spells A-N-A-L-Y-C-E. Awesome. Analyze means to study something carefully in order to understand it. Let's break that down. It's all about understanding what that really means in real life. Here are some words that mean the same as analyze. Say it with me. Examine. Investigate. Evaluate. Inspect. Assess. Scrutinize. Study. Take a moment to explore the synonyms. They each help expand your vocabulary power. Now let's look at the opposites of analyze. Ignore. Overlook. Guess. Neglect. Misread. Disregard. Assume. Check out the antonyms before moving on. Understanding what analyze isn't makes the meaning even clearer. Here's a great example. Sofia took time to analyze the results of her science experiment. Let's review. Analyze means to study something carefully in order to understand it. Synonyms. Examine. Investigate. Evaluate. Inspect. Assess. Scrutinize. Study. Antonyms. Ignore. Overlook. Guess. Neglect. Misread. Disregard. Assume. Analyzing is like being a brainy detective. What mystery will you try to solve today? Your challenge: spell the word analyze while hopping in place. Words like analyze help you ask smart questions, spot cool details, and express big ideas. Keep up the amazing work, Word Explorer. You're on a roll, thinking, learning, and growing every day. Another awesome word is zooming your way tomorrow.